In this video, I will show you how to efficiently build a responsive card layout in Elementor without the hassle of creating separate rows for every single line of content. First, we need to set up our foundation. I'm adding a main container to the page and then dropping another container inside of it. Let's head over to the Structure panel and rename this inner container to Card, just to keep things organized as we build. Now, let's give this card some shape. I'll go into the Style tab and change the background color to a dark gray so it stands out against the page. Next, I'll grab a text editor widget from the panel and drop it right into our card container. The default dark text is hard to read against our new background, so I'll quickly jump into the typography settings and switch the text color to white. To give the text some breathing room, I'll head to the Advanced tab and add 20 pixels of padding all around the card. Here is where the layout setup begins. Instead of leaving the card full width, I'm going to change the content width to a custom percentage and set it to 30%. If we take a quick look at the tablet and mobile previews, you can see the card stays tightly at 30%, which isn't exactly what we want for smaller screens, but we will fix that layout flow shortly. Back on the desktop view, let's duplicate this card a couple of times, so we have 3 of them. Then, selecting the main parent container, I'll set the layout direction to row horizontal so they sit side by side, and I'll add a 2-0 pixel gap between them to space them out. It looks great for 3 cards. But watch what happens when I duplicate these cards again to create a second row. Instead of dropping down to a new line, they just keep squishing together on the exact same row. If we check the tablet and mobile views right now, it is a complete mess. They are crammed so tightly, they are completely unreadable. So, how do we fix this without building a bunch of new parent containers for every single row of 3? The secret is right here in the parent container's layout settings. By simply going down to the Wrap option and clicking Wrap, the inner containers instantly respect their 30% width limit and flow beautifully onto the next line once the space runs out. Now, when we cycle through the tablet and mobile breakpoints, the layout handles itself. The cards naturally stack and wrap exactly how they should based on the available screen width.